Accessory kit. Filter base, metal. External pump and filter. Submersible pump. Short hose with fittings. Long hose without fittings. Long hose with fittings. 1H peeler unit. Let's set it up. Step 1. Use the screwdriver and screws to fix the filter and pump onto the base. Take the air release valve from the accessory kit. Insert it into the top port of the filter housing. Step 2. Short hose with fittings. Pump out gives chiller in. Wrap the threads with waterproof tape for a better seal. 3/4 inch female end gives chiller in port. 1/2 inch female end gives pump out port. Long hose with fittings chiller out gives tub inlet. Long hose without fittings tub outlet gives filter in. Install two 1/2 inch male connectors at the two long hose ends. Push firmly to secure. 1/2 inch male connector end gives tub inlet. Wrap with waterproof tape and tighten. 3/4 inch female fitting end gives chiller out. Male connector end gives tub outlet. Without fitting end gives filter in port. Step 3. Plug the pump power cable into the chiller power port. Tighten all connections securely. Open the tub valves to let water flow into the filter. Close the air valve when the water stops rising. Turn on the chiller, the pump starts automatically. Let it run briefly and check water circulation. Top outlet gives filter in, gives filter out, gives pump in, gives pump out, gives chiller, gives tub inlet.